we are going to learn how to access a PC or a laptop hard drive through your mobile while roaming in the home. Is it nice now? From your hall room, you can access your hard drive through your mobile. Videos like documents, important documents, you can directly copy it from the mobile. So, how to do that? For that, you don't need anything else. Just a home network is enough. Means I'm talking about the LAN or Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is enough for that. Your mobile must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and your laptop, of course, it will be connected to the internet through the LAN cable or through the Wi-Fi. Mine is connected through the LAN and my mobile is connected through Wi-Fi. Okay, how to do that? It has a functionality. It is a built-in functionality in Windows, so you can do that pretty easily. The first thing you have to do is go to the drive, means go to my computer. From there, whichever you drive you want to share with your mobile, just right click on that. Means I here I have shared already everything. Okay, this F drive, I want to share F drive with my mobile. Okay, now click on properties. From that, sorry for that, sharing, advanced sharing, see that share this folder, add. The share name is nothing but my Mac, something like Mac. Okay, permissions means it will give you the full control, or you want to change only read, means if someone connects and I want to access this one, they'll not be able to delete or again write something else in that. So we'll do that by changing permissions. Okay, finish. Now apply, close. See, my drive letter is F, it's F, just remember that. Now again we have to just recheck if it is enabled or not. Advanced sharing, yes, it is enabled. Now finish. All you have to do is close this one, go to your mobile. From that you will need a small application known as ES Explorer. Actually modern days everyone has the ES Explorer, it's pretty useful. Now all you have to do is slide to network. If you don't see this, you can drag the layer. Next, from that network, from that LAN. Now you can see that. Okay, now all you have to press is scan. It will scan for this local area network drives which you provide. It is pretty simple, but it's pretty useful. I use it daily for copying files without any USB hassling USB connections. You can do it pretty simply. Actually mine was there. After that you will appear with some IP address of this PC on the local area network. So just press this on. It will ask for password. First it will ask for password and username. In password and username, all you have to do is just type your computer, means every laptop has a email address while logging in. Just type the email address and the password, you put it on your computer. If you don't have any password, it will be open, means you can directly access that. See, my F drive is there and I have every drive here. C drive, I can access, delete, or even I can change the permissions from my computer so that no one can delete in my that. But no need of that, because your Wi-Fi's are protected now. There will be no need. I can play these videos directly from my mobile. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.